Hi guys, it is Peter here. Um, Today I want us to focus to go on gold. I want us to look at gold a little bit. We hardly check gold, so let's just look at gold and see what is currently happening on gold. Let's start on monthly. Since we are about to start a new month, okay, based on what I see in monthly, need to go to weekly. On weekly time frame, I can see a support where the market is right now. I can see that we do have a support there, but I think I have to mark this one as a zone. I have to mark this one as a zone like this. And then at the same time, I see a trend line that looks like that. It means we have the first time here, we have the second time here, and then we need to get the touch where here. So based on what we have on weekly time frame, I see that the market will push down. Remember, if we look at the patterns that we have right now, we have our support and a resistance. Our support and a resistance plus our trend line. Both beats are giving us what? Buy opportunity. It means the traders that are trading support and resistance will be looking for buy opportunities. It also means that the traders that are trading trend lines will be looking forward for buy opportunities. This is another reason why I always ask you to approach the market based on higher time frame. Let's apply the line chart. I want to show you something as well. Currently, the market is where? It is on the support level. Can you see that? Based on our line chart, this is where the support is. But the market will penetrate the support. That is why I had to mark the support as a what? As a zone. I think now you understand why I mark support and resistance as a zone. Let's go back. So you need to pay attention to these things, guys. Then you need to pay attention to these things. You start on a higher time frame, you go to smaller time frame. Now that you see that on weekly time frame, we have a trend line that was broken. I'm sorry, we have a trend line that has two touches. We have a support and resistance at the same time. That gives the market the higher chance of changing the direction here. Let's check on daily to see what is it we get. Our trend line is still valid. Our trend line is still valid. The support is still valid. And here, based on daily chart, I still have to adjust the zone of this. Now, if you do not have much experience, what is it that you're gonna have, or what are the challenges that you're gonna have? You will focus on the support. This is where the support is. You expect the market to bounce back and go up. They will go for the trend line. If you did not identify this trend line, they will push the market to the trend line before changing the direction. Now that you know what are the things that you must be looking for in the market, make sure that you take your time with your analysis. Look for the things that will cause the market need to go to a direction as well. Don't just relax and say, I know that the market is going up. Yes, it is going up, but you need to prepare in advance. Currently, the market's going to push down. It will go down with the time frame as well. Then if you check where the support is right now, you can spot several things here. When you check on the daily, you can see a trend line as well here. It has two touches. We have one. There's two touches. Let's check on 4 hour. They came closer to that trend line, and then they went for this continuation pattern before coming down. So currently the market is just moving here. It means today you may not have opportunities up until the market reaches what it reaches the trend line below. Remember, the trend line that we are talking about is the one that is coming from higher time frame. It means to us that there are higher chance that the market will go down before coming up. Just go down at the time frame to focus on this trend alone. Already, if you check here, we have several touches. We have several touches on the trend line. It means here you have a broken trend line. If the market goes up, it will turn somewhere here. Let's check when it goes to 2 hour up to 1 hour. If you don't get the higher breaker structure already here, you have a continuation pattern that is matching with the broken trend. The market goes up, it will turn here and continue with the downtrend. I said to you, the more you give yourself time in the market, is the more you're going to understand how the market is moving or how it's moving. Because let's go to 1 hour and see what we get on 1 hour. On 1 hour, we have a broken trend line. You have this as a support. You also have that as a support. So what they will do here, they will respect this one based on our line chart, and then they will spike the market up before going down. Knowing very well that majority will be looking for sell opportunities here. They will spike the market up to the trend line that was broken and the continuation pattern, and then we continue to the downside. Let's check on this one. Check it here. One minute. Okay. Time frames. Let's start on the weekly, just to see what is happening in your weekly time frame. I want to use the time frames that I don't have. Okay. Everything is doing the same. We use our trend line. That's not tested. Here's our support zone. Let's go to daily. We see how clear the trend line is. If you are not, if you don't have a proper broker, I would advise you to try this one. This is business. Okay, on daily time frame, you still have more or less the same. Let's mark again the support is raising. Okay, let's go to 12 hours. My main focus right now is here on the current trend. I want to see what is it we have to will cause the market to change the direction. Look at this again. This is what I always say to you. Here, they gave us what? A break start, a PCP. The market did what? Reacted on the break structure and went for a PCP. This is why I always say, pay attention to whatever before they break the support or the resistance. You can see the time frame right now. All right. Let's go down again to 6 hours. On 6 hours, we don't have much. On 4 hours, we don't have much. I can see the broken trend line as well. I can see the smaller continuation pattern as well. This one is just straight to the point. So make sure that when you approach the market, you don't approach it blindly. You take your time,
You look for your left, you look for your right. Here, they gave you a breaker structure. This is just a minor breaker structure with a continuation pattern. They gave you a breaker structure with a continuation pattern at the same time. And then they left, they went up, they came back to test the continuation pattern. On their way up, they came back to test this continuation pattern. Where was your exit? On the resistance level. The market went up to the resistance level. This is your first time touches your resistance level. Again, things that I've been saying to you, the market will always come back. Here, if you go to smaller time frame, let me put this way. Like we begin. This is the first time touch. Let's say that this is what you can. A trend line that was broken as well. And then when we are 40 below, you get a trend line that touches foot of the. Yeah, when over to the higher the chance the market on that. So you're going to get this move, you miss this move, no problem. Means your continuation pattern, unfortunately, you don't not tested this one up until they go back to on the right hand side. So here they left a continuation pattern and a resistance direction, and that was broken. They came back to test. So whenever you approach the market, take your time. Do not rush to buy, do not rush to sell. And again, if you come across my YouTube for the first time, do not forget to like and subscribe. Make sure that you comment with the pair that you want to check. And if you have a question, feel free to ask.